Okay, good morning guys. How's everybody doing? Reset my circuits from yesterday and reviewed my errors, logged them in anytime in my trading log. I take notes and write down what I did right, what I did wrong, and I review it every night. And I've done that for years, and I hope you guys are doing the same thing. So what I'm looking at here is I want to go ahead and place my breakout, but here's, okay, I'm going to break out of this area here, and break out of this area here. Those are two very extreme highs and lows, right? So it's always a little subject of where you could place them, okay? And remember, I always say look for multiple support or resistance lines to line up, because that's a significant area. So I don't think what I like forming here, okay, is we're seeing lower highs form, okay? And I'm just wondering if this is going to print to number 3 here and give me full stair stepping, okay? You know, what I'm looking at is, you know, we were above the line, we were below the trend line, we got back above the trend line, okay? Now we're seeing price action below the trend line. All right, we came up and we kissed it once already. Remember I said typically, okay, look, we just got stair stepping there. Typically, I don't like to take the first clean bounce off of the yellow line. Okay.
NQ trade alert.
So we have our first one. We're building a case here. We broke this low here. We broke this low here. We've got full stair stepping.
NQ trade alert.
Okay, stop yapping. 7.
NQ trade alert.
Order submitted.
So we have full
NQ
stair
trade
stepping.
alert.
We have our first nice clean touch of the yellow line, okay? And this would be the next signal after it. So I'm just trying to build a case here.
Order
NQ.
filled.
Sell signal 1.
Okay, nice, we got filled. Let's go ahead and mark this. We have our proper ATM strategy today. Now all we need is what? Follow through.
Target filled.
Nice, that was quick. Okay, so we got our first target off. Second target's at 52 ticks. Nice, nice.
Stop filled.
Okay, 15 ticks. Okay, so 26, 52, 15, 93 ticks. $465. Nice day. Okay, let's review. Okay, so we talked about how wide the breakout trade was going to be, right? So I removed the breakout trade because I was anticipating seeing number 3 form. Okay, so we had stair stepping. Okay, and you can see that we were putting in lower highs. Okay, and then we had perfect stair stepping 1, 2, 3. I talked about being above the trend line, below the trend line, price actions back above, back below, we get above. Okay, we get below again, and we get a nice clean touch once previously. Typically I don't like to take the very first one. Then we got a second
NQ
yellow,
trade alert,
and that's the one that I took right here. Okay, there was logic to my entry. Okay, I did not just randomly take a yellow entry. Okay, so I want you to
NQ, sell signal 2.
watch this video, take notes, and apply the things that you learned to your own trades. Okay, I did not just blindly take a yellow signal because you heard Dave say he likes yellow signals. There was logic to the setup. Okay, you guys have any questions? Go ahead and email me. I'm happy to help. Okay, take care.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.